Hi everyone, my name is Ira. Today, my daughter and I we would like to share with one absolutely amazing product. This is cordless hot glue gun with 4000 mAh built-in battery and Type-C charging port. This hot glue melt gun comes with 30 pieces glue stick for arts, craft or DIY gifts. 15 seconds fast preheating, cordless glue gun which is anti-scalding, lightweight so you can make a lot of DIY things with your kids. We are so excited and happy to have this product and highly recommend it.